Sharp, sharp. Guy, what's it gonna happen now? Let's invest it for club. Why will you just leave the club like that now?
See, if you don't get shame, I get shame. You know the single thing that happens inside that club? Now that guy they intimidate us now. Ding dong, only I'm dead there. See, that guy they chop money. Last week Friday, that guy do 10.5 million for my face. I put everywhere I pause. And what did the mad me be say? You go see come out Wednesday, Baba Day Club. Today, see what thing that happened there now. Me and you go just sit down, the romance one in the sea, 4, 5. 6 go now, the romance one in the sea. Guy, if you're not tired, I'm tired. It's embarrassing now. You don't get shame.
Guy, now make you react like this. Look at me. Sharp, look at me. Are we the same height? Tell me. Or the fingers on your hand they equal? Why you behave like this now? Our time go come. Just believe me, our time go come.
Forget it. This one a poor man lamba. Forget all those. Now what for you? God's time is the best na poor man lamba. See as he dey hot. It's embarrassing now. That guy dey shame us on a reg.
So what do you want to do about it? No, tell me, what do you want to do about it?
Fam, you see that guy? I'm a role model now. I go use am do role model. In fact, I go chance am for a field. That guy dey spend money every day. He get all you well. Small time, he go use me and you do bouncers. Come on for here, abeg. Nonsense.
Sharp.
Good, I heard you over talking about the guy we met at the club the other day.
Oh, you mean Shaq?
Yes, of course. What is he saying?
That man Shaq. He just he approached me now and he said her mother is seriously sick, that he needs some money to take her to a hospital.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But you know, I remember that first day we met at the club.
Yes.
You remember how he walked out on us?
Yes,
you understand?
of course.
I'm still thinking about it because I don't know what he has in mind. You understand? You can't just help somebody like that, somebody you just met once.
I know, but how much are we talking about?
Well, it's a chicken change. It's just 200,000.
200,000?
Yeah.
200,000 is nothing now. It's nothing. You have to help him because of his mom.
I know it's nothing, you understand? But in the other way around, I don't know his plan. Well, anyway, you are my darling. If you say I should help him, then there is no problem. I will help him.
Okay.
You know I don't like disobeying you, my love. You know I love you so much. There's no problem. I will give him the money.
Okay.
I'll give him the money.
Babe, what's going on? You're just here smiling on your own. Yeah. Wow. This is cute. Babe, take a look at it.
Oh God. So cute. You're so lucky, baby.
Thank you. Babe, I must confess, you're such a lucky babe. I'm telling you.
You can't say that again. My baby is too loaded.
Are you serious?
You need to see the plans he has for me. Very soon, I won't be staying in this apartment with you guys anymore.
Oh!
Yep.
So, when are you taking us for the shopping you promised us?
Just wait until my baby arrives. Immediately he stepped in, both of you will be so happy that you are my girlfriend. Really? I'm telling you, I'm going to spoil you. Not just shopping. Just wait for him till he arrives here.
I can't wait, baby. Thanks for remembering us in your paradise. You're such a wonderful friend.
What are friends for? What are we friends for? I cannot leave you guys behind now. Now we did this thing together.
Babes, just wait. Do you know that this God is so wonderful?
You can say that again.
I am so happy for Sha.
You can say that again.
You know, one story can just change in a twinkle of an eye.
That's God.
Babe, seriously, I envy you. Eh? At least do something for your babe now. You know there is love in sharing.
My own man?
No, your man. His friends like hook me up, link, you know, that kind of thing.
Babe, you know that, you know what? You know, I know they carry last. I did this game full ground.
Look at you.
Link me up.
You know they carry last.
I did.
But this one they carry last.
At all.
Oh, now relax. I think they come. He come with his friend. And you know what? I believe his friends are rich too. So I got a lawyer. I got a lawyer. Even if they come with any other girl, trust me, you got a lot of fun. Trust me.
So how are you?
Oh, I'm fine. Welcome.
Right. Take this into the kitchen.
I go welcome.
You go faint. Yeah, you can talk with that. We see.
Hey, wetin be that? Eh? Wetin be that when me, she go see faint?
I saw dollars. Egigwe. When I no fit wait for my own payday. Hey!
Maybe say our payday don come. Hey! See, the kind house wey me and she go build for my papa house. See this house wey our oga build. Na moi compared to wetin I go build for my papa.
See your mouth. Be like say that's your malaria don come again. Every time when you want to, you go take this house and compare. See the house wey dey like this. For me, my own payday. You see, you and all those girls wey dey do like say una pass no dey for market. I go dey count una one by one.
See, make I tell you, no just try am. Why they compare me with those girls? Na those Yama girls. If you wan get those kind girls, comot outside. No even try am. Comot for you.
See, you no know that motor wey dey call Bugatti. Na Bugatti I go buy. You know, and all those girls. Anyway, where I say hello, go just dey follow me like a mumu. I go dey cattle. Census I go cattle.
See, you dey dream. The people say Igbo people dey call dreamer.
Me dream.
Dreamer. Wake up, oh. You are dreaming.
Me dreamer.
Don't call me for this kind of thing again.
On my own paper, these girls go dey do shaka. No problem. I go do the shame without mercy. Hey! Mercy, and they go mercy. Mama mercy go die, te. Hey! Now wow. This one your face dey like this. Okay. This one your face dey like say NEPA comot light for your face.
Aaron.
Okay.
Aaron.
Okay, sir.
How many times did I call you?
2 times, sir.
I'll be traveling to Dubai this weekend. And I want you to be security conscious in everything you do in this house. By allowing people you don't know into my house. Most especially that boy you call your friend.
Okay, you see, any person wey come here, I go tell am say may stay for outside because some oga no dey for house. As for that guy, leave am. Na my friend, no be say na only my friend, na my brother. Okay, no get problem for that boy.
But if you say so. I want you and Chi to always keep this house clean and make sure both of you dust all the interiors in this house. And as for you, don't forget to wash my cars when it's dusty.
Okay, me wey be Aaron, I sabi all those things wey dey talk. Okay, sure, no, if you go to Dubai, no think of home. Just dey there.
I should do there.
You no get problem.
Ha. Well, if I come back and find out that you did well, I will dash you some dollars.
Hi! Okay, that dollar wey you carry for back that day.
Hey, this boy. How did you know that I came back with dollar? Anyway, it's not that one. I will get you new other ones.
Hi! Oga, I agree. Oga, you good day, Chica na. Hi!
Hey.
Oga, it's not my problem. Hi!
Okay, boy.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Am I a baby? I know what I'm saying. I have my vision, it's clear, and I have my structure. So help me as my friend. Once I achieve this, everybody will be happy again. Richie borrowed me 200K. I paid back now. I can't run because of 30,000 naira. Help me. What are friends for?
I understand you. But you know once we do this, there's no going back.
My brother, like I said, I have my structure and my vision is clear. Support my movement. You won't regret it.
It's okay.
What of Sunday and Casey? Where are they?
They said they'll be coming today.
Call them on phone.
They are here already.
This money you're talking about, how do we recover it back?
Now that same matter, they settle here. I told you people, listen, I have my vision clear and I have my structure. Support my movement, you will not regret it. Richie borrowed me 200,000, I paid back. I want to destroy our relationship because of 30K now. What are friends for?
See, Chuck, I know what I'm saying, because ndị Igbo si na ọnụ eji ebiri ego awụrụ ọnụ eji akwụ ya. I don't need story for this thing, I don't need story. But as my guy where you be, let it be as you said. One day I copper ya.
See, Shaq, what Sunday is saying is the simple truth. I believe you know how hard it is for us to make money these days. Come now.
Guys, come on. Let us believe him. This is our friend. And you know the saying, A friend in need is a friend indeed.
That is the point. A friend indeed is a friend in need. Do I look like someone that will borrow 30K from my friends and go and waste it in a hotel? No, now. See, I have my structure and my vision is clear. Support the dream. I will refund. I will pay all of you. I will pay you back now.
Okay. No,
Hey, where is the money?
calm down now. You do the wrong self. Calm down.
Money is here now.
Time to go now. Time to go now.
See, no, I don't know my friends. No, my lie that because you want to borrow me money.
You want to spend the
Give
money
me the
now.
money now.
Calm down.
I didn't see I hear. See, give me. Calm down.
Look at them. Be careful, brother. Look at them, not them. Lying machine. Another trap, which is your brain. Look at them. Another trap, your head. Propose. What I want is a qualifier. Lying machine. See them. Another trap, which is your brain.
Baby, yo. Please, my boss wants to see you.
And who's your boss?
Here's Ego one. Udogu na Jamaica. He will want to see you, please. Just hold on for him. Please. Onyenna. Udogu. Okike. Udogu na Cambodia.
I need to eat up. Orí ẹgbẹ́ mi ṣe é bò. Ojú ẹgbẹ́ asáhùn na Malawi.
No be lie.
Ojú tó na asáhùn na Cambodia.
Na true.
Ojú tó na àwọn àrùn na Malawi.
Udogu.
Please, sir, my name is Chica.
Your name is Chica.
Yes, Chica is my name.
You know what?
Chica is my name.
Ah,
Yes.
you know what? Enter the car
Right away.
so that we can talk well.
I'm right behind you. I will give you this, I will give you that, yo. Nesikwanyike, Imaru moji kwanke, kabubolo bozu. Ndi jingwe kwechikosi ebe nine. Fabu kwande sawalini, yo. Polo kwande sakarini, yo. Be careful, oh. See them. Baby, they go kwa. Abonende kanyine kuwa. Eli brother medi. Look at them. Ida banana trap. Hapatota your head. Asari enyi kwere. Be careful, brother. Abata go kwa. Look at them, not them.
This is beautiful. You mean you own this place?
This one.
Yes.
This one is very small to compare my parlor in Lekki.
What? I love you so much.
I love you too, my baby.
I love you.
I love you too, my baby.
Gosh, this is wonderful.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Don't worry, next week I will take you to Lekki. From there we travel to Dubai and spend some time there.
Wait. You mean you own another house in Lekki?
Ha! Bigger one than this.
And you're also taking me to Dubai next week?
Exactly what I told you.
Oh, you're so sweet. I love you so much.
I love you too, baby. Wait, let me offer you something.
Okay. Chica. Fake it till you make it. Chica have finally made it. Chica, you've hit a jackpot. Oh my gosh. Who said fake life no dey pay? Who said fake life no dey pay?
Look at them, not them. Lying machine, we're lying on the trap, which is your brain,
Hello? Yes, Ebunafo. I will be traveling to Dubai next week. So I want you to send the goods right away. You hear? Okay.
Baby, when did you say we are traveling to Dubai?
In a few days' time. But before then, I will take you to my house in Lekki. From there, we fly.
Whoa! I'm so happy. Whoa, I'm so lucky. I can't wait. But baby, just tell me. So, what are you going to buy for me when we get to Dubai? Tell me what are you going to buy for me?
Which car is your favorite?
Baby, you see, I love Range Rover. I also love Lexus 470.
Huh?
With Mercedes GLK. But baby, I will be so happy if you can get 3 of them for me, please.
Don't have problem. I am $1. When we get to Dubai, you make your choice.
What? Whoa! Just come here. Come here. You see, all this my body, from head to toe, now you get up.
You don't have problem.
Now you get up.
You don't have problem.
Carry up.
Hello? Car dealer. I mean, the talk, how you doing now? Everywhere don't good though. You know what's in the rain for Lagos now? Are you not current? 2020 Hilux with 1 Prado now, or 570. That's the new service. So I want 2020 Hilux with 1 Prado or 570. That's the setting. Which one do you have? Guy, I carry and confess now. Now we day here. If I like him, I go do transfer for you. No. Or na go about the body. I dey wait. Why I wanna? Okay, bring the one where you get first. As you tell my body now, my chop up. If you want to go, no. Bring the one where they now first. Now there. All right, I dey wait.
Jeez, are you serious? Our guy, I work for you. Is that how you do your things? Yes, I see my book. Why? For what? You're not serious. That's right. Please, I need money, not this one. Oh yeah. That's right. Let's deal for first. Have it. Hey. Yeah, I'm on a call. Oh, my friend.
I know. Oh, come on. Chica's not your back.
Yeah. Hold on, baby. Maybe she'll send me back. So how are you? Good. Let me talk to you later, okay? I'm in the hall. Sweet in the video.
Where there is more game.
That's where we go.
Where there is more game.
Where we go.
What?
Shark go.
Who is Chuck?
Your shark now.
Okay, that poor guy. That poor guy. Anyway, Shark is there. I have not forgotten him. But I see the heart. I see the heart. Where there is more game. Now where we dey go? Where there is more game. I see the heart. I see the heart.
I trust you. You know what? This is because you are sweet in the middle. Nobody sweet in the middle here. Sweet up here. Sweet everywhere. Everywhere. Say it loud.
There is sugar everywhere.
Loud.
You can say that again.
Loud. Sweet in the middle.
Hold on. Let me gist you. You know what? This weekend, he's taking me to his house in Lekki.
What?
Wait, don't shout yet. And from there, we are flying to Dubai.
Oh my God, Dubai!
Dubai!
Are you serious, babes?
Dubai!
I'll go with you, please.
No.
Won't go with you. Won't follow you.
Babe, no, what follow you? I'll be your girl.
I bet help you tell and say you get friends wey for like do house help for you.
Just be coming down. Mommy, be coming down small.
Like
small. I wasn't in this house.
Hey! Hey, not be every day be Christmas though. You see what you do today?
Hey, also? How far now?
I did.
Dikeh. What is they play now?
Oh boy, don't say I dey play the show.
I don't understand. Una make dey on each other hustle for tomorrow. Una dey declare. I don't understand. Abi who win lottery? That your babe gree for you?
Now play stop her. I don't want to tell you again.
Let me tell you. You know Obiora?
Obiora, I know Obiora now.
We get him na Shark. Obiora don't hammer.
Shark.
You see Obiora today? Now so he drive. Wow. Pow. You hear him say, chum. Now so Obiora match break. Come just declare us drink.
Guy, you miss. You see as I tell you, you miss. You just dey here. I mean, no man, I know. You just enter, maybe so I just take one bread and one meat. We carry the get myself for the day. Now so, Obi just enter. From city direct Obi, as in just enter, we dey. And not be only in Como, in carry people. That the place say na body guide.
Body guide.
Guy, we just dey here now. Now he call Mama Nkechi. From nowhere na akpa, he don declare. Guy.
Wait. Which kind of money the guy can make now? Na G boy I be na
the money something. Package pass cheese. I know G boys now.
Okay, you know say na son of the soil now. You don't understand? As they be like this.
Yeah? Guy, calm down. Calm down.
I don't understand.
Calm down there.
Every day no be Christmas. I just see this one today now. Get for free for tomorrow because nobody go do Christmas for you tomorrow. Christmas is only one day. Now they celebrate them. So today we just celebrate one. This one I reserve. Hey!
You know that's that.
What advice I give you now? Say, they say the patient dog eat the fattest bone.
Tell her.
Now you go just stand patiently like a hungry dog. Then the wait make me you go device come back. When he come back, you go just tell him, hey, best. Give you 3 crates, only you. I know only you go finish up.
But in case you know, you wait for them. Just tell Mama Nkechi, make she give you 2 bucks. You understand? Make you drink, then I know say na Mama house single. He just enter town now. Na Mama house single. So if he dey come back, by then they take the 2 bucks. If you tell am say, Chica, so I take 2 bucks for your head though, him be pay or him as him talk, him be buy you more. But in case he wait, he take the 2 bucks, you no see am. Tell her say na credit for Shark head. Then if you go in Mama house, me give him money, me gon pay. You understand? But this one, you see as this one dey now. You be like, okay, she no dey. This one now I go carry am go house. Then this one if I drink am finish, I go bring the bottle.
But Ike, wanna know say street na general market o. I fit pick one, I go pick 2 o.
If I finish am tomorrow, you go buy for me. This one I think tomorrow make I take wash face.
Hey.
Because I think this now, if I think this, you know can turn my body well. If you check whether you can get one who get half to here. Because we rush up well.
Hey! Ah, Oluwa. Oluwa bless me make I rest. I don't do day for these streets. Wait. Which kind money this guy makes here? Mama Kechi! Where this woman go now? They go just marry person put forward. They will just open one kind of store for I not go say store. Mama Kechi!
Febi do go kwa o. Mangoke mangwanye because jelofa. Like brother Mede. Look at them. Get up another trap. Hapato tie your head. Asari enyi. Na kwende propose wo. Pata go kwa o. Mwata wanye ze kwa lofa. Like machine. See them. Get another trap. Echi dey your brain. Asari enyi.
Hello. Mama gives you mama gives
Afamuleze.
Begin. Mama ya. Hey! Obi mama. Obi nne ya. Obi.
Mama.
Is this really you?
Yes, sir.
Hey! You're looking good. You're looking so good, one. Too good.
Thank you very much.
Hey!
Mama, we have a new development.
New development?
My name is no longer Obion. They now call me Shark. As a matter of fact, I am the biggest shark. Awawazu.
Hey! Hey!
Awalawa shark.
Chineke me! Chukuya better say Berema. So you never answered my prayers. Oh my God, I bless you, Father. Hey! Chineke dalo, Chineke. Feverem Chukwaka. Feverem Chukwaka. Odogusha. Feverem Chukwaka. Hey! Hey, whoa! So this is you. Your light has finally shined upon my family. So enemies will no longer mock at me. Hey! Ebu Chukwu na tomo. Abato bibia kwano. Ebu na matu bueno mo. Onya nebi hem lebama. Hey, ebu Chukwu ona tomo. Onya nebi hem lebama. Hey! Nam.
We have a lot to discuss.
Nam. Who are these men and the car?
Oh, these are my men, yeah. As for the car, one of my toys.
Oh! Obi Mamaya!
I am the biggest shark.
Obi Mamaya! Hey!
Abalava shark.
Shark!
Mama?
Nah.
Ukita wakane.
Opo mi nede for you. Hey!
them. Be careful, brother. Look at them, lying machine. Look at them. Nakwende propose Mata wani se qualify. See them.
Come on in.
I be this, I be that, yo.
Sweetheart, what was that? Why are you doing this? Eh? How do you expect me to feel seeing my girlfriends having fun around you? Just look at the way we are rocking you and we are enjoying it. Just keep quiet about it.
But you know what? Money answers everything. What do you want?
Money. Is money everything? Eh? You know I love you so much. I wouldn't want to trade your love for anything.
I know you love me and I love you too. Love, you know what? I'll give you $5,000.
$5,000?
Yes.
Sweetheart, see. It's not that I want to do it because of the $5,000, so okay. I love you so much. I will accept the $5,000 because I want to respect you.
That's my baby.
Okay, but I want you to promise me one thing.
Anything for my baby.
You won't tell them you love them.
Ha! This is my go fan and love for.
That's my baby.
That's my baby.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
You guys are wonderful.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
You're so sweet.
I love you too, baby. I will take you to Dubai. I will take you to Dubai.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You will take me to Dubai?
I'll give you $10,000.
Oh my God.
Yes.
You're so generous. Eh? Thank you very much. I love you.
You guys are killing me. Oh. You guys are killing me. Hey. You guys are wonderful. I promise I will take you to Dubai.
Ah, really?
I will take you to Dubai.
Oh, baby.
I don't die. I will give you $10,000.
What?
Serious?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
So nice. So cheerful.
Hi. You girls are killing me.
Let's go. It's already late. Let's go.
Hi.
Okay, so you said you take us to Dubai, right?
I'll take you to
Paris, England, you know,
France. No problem. Anyone. $10,000.
Nice. You're so good, huh?
Cynthia, let's go now.
Wait, we'll go. You're so rich.
Please, we need a car. Will you give us a car?
No problem.
Venza.
Anyone.
Okay.
Anyone.
Serious? Anyone?
Yes.
Anything we want.
What about that
us.
one you're using?
Huh?
That one you use.
That one? Yeah. No problem. If you want that one.
Okay.
We want it. We want more.
No problem. Let me be $1.
$1.
Yes.
$1.
Yes, I want that.
Easy now.
Yes, I didn't.
Cynthia.
Why were you so particular about that? Baby, I love you. Baby, you're so sweet. You're so that. What is the meaning of that?
Chica, what is wrong with you? I don't understand though. Did I not do what we were asked to do?
Were you the only person that was asked to do that? Answer me! Were you?
Babes, it's okay. You have to calm down now. We are just coming back.
It is not okay, Jane. See, let me tell you. I only did what we were asked to do. Simple and short.
Were you the only person that was asked to do that? Answer me! You traitor! Were you the only person?
Chica, I can see you're out for trouble. But let me tell you, I will give it to you because I am ready for you.
Babe, I don't really like what both of you are doing right now. What is wrong with you girls now? We are just coming back. Let's go in and have fun or have some rice.
Not that I cannot satisfy him. I can satisfy him very well. But I took you guys there for him to fix your broke act. Because I know that you are broke. Oh. You are very, very broke. I took you there for him to dash you some small money.
Anyway, listen, baby girl. Go and learn more skills, okay? Go and learn how to satisfy a man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Satisfier, can I have the money Aaron gave to you?
What's the meaning of that?
Let me have it.
What's the meaning? Stop.
Look at them, get up another trap, hapatota your head, be careful, brother. Look at them, not them. Lying machine, well, I another trap, which is your brain, Sally and you. Because I love my brother Medi. Look as well. What I want is a qualifier. Lying machine. See them. Get another trap. Which is your brain. Sally and you. I be this, I be that yo. Onye manke press your poor, onye manke press your poor. Kanye sogije, look at them, baby dogo kwa. Abonende kanye ndekuwa. My brother Medi, look at them. Get up another trap, hapatota your head.
Mama, good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon.
Amuche.
Mama.
Amuche, what happened? What put you in such a good mood today?
Mom.
Because I can't remember the last time we greeted.
Mama, if I did not greet you, who will I greet? Mama, is Obiora at home?
Obiora is not at home. Anyways, thank you for the greeting. Oh, let me go home and cook for my son.
Oh, Mama, I'll be happy. Mama, you know it has been a while, and Obiora needs good food, and I swear I will wash his clothes and clean the compound. Mama.
Don't worry. I have taken care of everything you have just mentioned. You know?
Mama, don't worry.
No. I said you should go. Go and do all these things for your senior brother. You know? Come on, go. Go.
Mama.
Go home. What the kids said, Mama? Abuja, go home. There's nothing somebody cannot say in this village. Dekwa muche na njọ. Nwaanyị na njọ. Njọ iru. Njọ mkpụrụ obi. Si ya muche. Dela muche. Ta.
Forget about that, my dear. Sorry for that day you came to collect foodstuff from me. I was not in a good mood, my dear. Oh, Biko,
I remembered you called me names and chased me out of your shop. You pushed me away. You treated me like a foolish person. Just because I came to collect on credit. I don't know, Mano.
I'm feeling guilty since that day. I'm feeling guilty. Sorry. That is why I decided to bring the food stuff by myself. Even though if it's not enough, I will still bring more for you. Because you know we are sisters. One more. Ọmarịcha nwaanyị oyo ada bekee
Mwifi
obige joro kekọnụ maka nwa nwoke.
He's fine. He's fine.
Okay. Biko nsi ka m weta na ka m wee gbapụkwara ahịa wee je mama ma ya egotakwu ife ndị ọzọ.
It's all right.
Igwe, my son. Like I told you, this is the architect that will be handling the act of structure I promised to dedicate to you. Yes, he's good. I flew him in from Germany. Yes, so he wants to update you on what we intend to do.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Igwe.
So what are your plans for my palace?
Firstly, I would like to inform you that this is the most expensive and extensive project that my company has carried out in many years. But with the amount of money Shaq the billionaire is willing to spend, you have nothing to worry about. We are talking about the state of art of the building. This project is going to come with 2 throne rooms for your cabinet meetings. One for the morning and one for the evening. The beauty about this is that each royal member of this cabinet will have their own key that will enable them enjoy the facilities we are about to install in this your palace. Obviously, Igwe, you are going to have the master key to everything.
Of course.
Furthermore, I would like to inform you that we are going to build for you a sport arena and a swimming pool. I hope you will like it.
Oh, that would be very fantastic. My family had always wanted a swimming pool.
Don't worry, I'm ready to give you a befitting palace because you are our king. Yes. Hey, let's not forget. Tell me about the status. Yes. You got your make Mpoge. That is Mpoge. The dollar at the palace.
Yes, sir. I was about to get to that. Apart from the 2 golden lions we are going to put in each of your throne, due to the respect Mr. Shaq have for you, he have asked myself and my company to build a 10-feet statue of yourself in the middle of the palace. Igwe, I hope you're happy about that.
Jack, my son, in that case, I will make sure that my generations to come will always remember your name. Wonderful. Your name will be remembered.
May you live long.
Likewise, you, my son. I sent for you because I've been thinking of a way to pay you back for all you have been doing in this kingdom. And the answer came to my mind that a young man like you, who have turned this community around for good, deserves a reward. And that reward means that I will give you a chieftaincy title.
Eh?
Yes.
A chieftaincy title for me. Igwe, I'm happy about this. May you live long. I never expected it. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much, Igwe.
Then, what name would you like to go by?